Welcome to my show, and today we have some spicy and very jolly and very different. And our experience is going to be very different in this interview. She's not a newcomer. She's not. It's the first time I think she'll be in Hyderabad, and she's coming up with a big project, and it's very interesting project. And who's she? I know I always create curiosity, but not much. She's Veerti. Is that spelled right? Veerti?
Yes.
So I want to start with, as I was saying, spicy. When I saw you, your smile is very spicy. I must say, the welcoming smile.
Thank you.
Veerti, let me welcome you in Hyderabad.
Thank you so much.
Everybody starts with that, Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Is it your first visit, or earlier also you were keep visiting, or some of the memories you have?
I have come here for one of my school trip. And we went to, the like all the good places, the tourist places. So yeah, that's when I came.
But what was your age that time?
I was my 10th grade. And
10th grade? It was so long back. And
Yeah.
after 10th grade, you're coming now.
Yeah, like I've come in between here and then. Yeah.
Do you see any differences? Your memories or something? You have done something?
I mean, back then it was just a school trip, but now I know the locals here, I know people here. So yeah, it's a bit different.
Have you explored more Hyderabad locations?
Yeah, I have explored a bit of Hyderabad. Now I have been to a couple of malls here, then I've been to restaurants here.
Okay, but not historical places,
No,
charming.
now I'm just like, now I need to see the local places.
Okay, so that's till now you have not discovered.
Yeah, I'm still to go to a flea market. I really want to go to a flea market.
So you didn't have any shooting experience before this? Not for this movie, but before that, you came for the shoot here?
Yeah, I came and I have like stayed here for a little bit, but I was mostly shooting in Vizag back then.
Okay.
So it was much different. But also when I went to Vizag, I went to a flea market, I went to Mela.
Okay.
And that was very fun.
So you're a Mela girl.
Yeah, I really like it.
You want to explore more of Mela
Yeah,
things.
exactly. And I bought like earrings, I think, and I played a lot of those balloon games and gun games.
I rightly mentioned Spicy Girl. So let's come back to your big project.
Yeah.
I mean, how you get into this? This is your first Telugu proper film project?
Yeah, this is like a proper debut, and I'm really in love with the Ira in this film. So yeah, this is like a film very special to me.
So how you got this project? Or you remember that memory or a spark when you got the call? Or how about that?
So I had someone who was coordinating with me. That was Navneet Jha, and I came here. I did I went through the script. I got narrated, and then I was like, okay, let's get in depth. And then he was like, okay, let's do an audition. As simple as that. I'll give you a scene. I'll give you that in English. You do that, and let's see how it goes. And then we did the whole scene for like 1 hour or 2, and then later they wanted time to make up their mind, and that's how I got the film. And I came here with no film, and I went back with the film. So, yeah.
So now you're getting more projects in your hands. You're trying to tell me that?
No, I'm not trying to tell you anything.
So I mean, Rohit, when you met him on the first time, how much you're aware about this actor, his background?
The thing is that I obviously, when I was coming out, before that I was doing all my research about everyone and the production house and everything. And I was like, okay, I know I watched one of his films, but I don't remember which one.
Okay.
Because my memory is a bit loose around remembering names, okay? So I didn't remember, but then I came here and I didn't meet him at the first intense. But later on when, days passed, I met him and yeah, it was fun.
So how this Telugu project, because we are seeing now Telugu projects are very precious projects, they are pan-India. And as we see, it's not only a Telugu or regional projects, they're going in a higher levels. How you take that cinema going on a higher level?
I am very much, I believe in this one thing, that is, if you get the opportunity to work anywhere, okay, that you should be grateful. Like imagine, like today if I see Hollywood, if Hollywood is like combined with all the people and like all the like countries and states together, but if as an Indian, if all our industries come together, imagine where we will go, because we have such amazing directors, art and everything. We have all of it. We have the capability to, be on the top.
But now you're actually in Hyderabad, actually working a Telugu movie.
Yeah.
So how was your experience like interacting with him, or the first time when you introduce yourself, right?
Yeah, like the first time is you're very nervous because you have the language barrier, right?
Okay.
So I feel like I was pretty nervous back, and I was like, okay, Preeti, you just have to be in your element, be you.
Who said
And
all this?
I told myself.
Okay. That was a confusion.
Yeah.
Active. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like I speak to myself a lot. All of
Very
us
good.
does. So I tell myself that no, Veeti, you just have to be in your element. Let it be. Like it's okay. People will understand. You have some, face expressions are enough to communicate right now. So yeah, I mean, it was good. Like, and also like all the people here, they kind of speak Hindi or English a bit
Yeah.
here and there. And also I started understanding Telugu, so it got easier. But for the first time, it was very difficult. And especially when you're taking a narration, because it is not in his own language and it is not in my own language, so it gets difficult.
So how you
Yeah.
got convinced with the script?
My script was translated into English,
Okay.
and I read the whole script, and then
And
I
you
made it
loved your
mine.
role?
Yeah, I loved
Can you
Ira.
explain about, more exciting
Um,
about this?
So Ira, as I see, like today, I see a lot of people who are really happy, and you feel like they don't have a problem in a life, right? They don't even have one single problem. But Ira also is one of those people, but inside, all of us have a lot of problems, right?
Yes.
And I feel like that is the most common, authentic self that Ira is, and I don't feel like there is something that is fake about her, and that is something that pulled me to Ira, that yeah, I want to play Ira.
So you relate somewhere. no?
Yeah.
Are you learning with that character?
I think Venki and I actually sat down and tried to make sure that Ira and Veeti align. They are somewhere or the other close, and a bit of me is there in Ira, and Ira is inside me too. So yeah.
You had a fun on your with the co-stars, and it's a very commonly asked. They did you something, you did pranks. These all things happen
Yeah.
when you come into your new
I-
class or new college or new set. Did you
Yeah.
had something?
I was the one who used to get bullied because,
Really?
yeah, like language barrier, right? And I was the youngest on set.
Who made it?
All of them.
Was-
All of them.
Your co-actor?
Yeah, Naresh Garu also, and Satya sir
You learned
especially.
Naresh, Nara Garu, like you're saying Garu. You
Huh?
learned that word, Garu.
Garu, yeah. So, Satya sir and all of them, they all were just amazing, and they used to pull my leg a lot.
Like?
Okay. Like
Little
he would,
bit of, you can
Satya
share.
sir would just come and be like,
Huh?
he'll speak in Telugu and matladu,
Huh.
and then he'll go, and I'm just like, why? What happened? What is he saying? Someone, and nobody will translate because everybody's having fun.
Matladu means bolo, bolo, bolo. Okay. And
So,
what
yeah.
else? Other people, they maybe,
Um,
at least you learned that word, I think.
Huh?
That you learned from Satya sir some words.
I mean, Satya sir used to always be like, no. He used to, he used to bully me a lot, but he's a very good person.
So you had a great fun, I must say.
Yeah, I had a lot of
You
fun.
enjoyed the food, everything.
Yes, I enjoy the food. I am not I can't tolerate spice. So I had to go for a much, jisko aap baby food bolte ho. I used to eat that, so yeah.
So have you experienced about it? Because before that, we've seen so many people who are coming for these
Yeah.
movies, especially the actresses. They are from Bombay only.
Yeah.
So whom you admire the most and want to work, or something excites you.
I feel like I really want to work with Neena Gupta.
Oh.
I love her. She's so amazing, and I don't know. She is so old, but when she comes on screen, I swear she makes that whole screen go just. I don't know. You see nobody but her. So yeah, I really want to work with her because I want to more than work. I really want to learn her techniques and like stuff. I want to learn from her a lot.
So who's your favorite star? Now you're much aware about the Telugu
Yeah.
cinema, right? And
I love Vijay Deverakonda,
oh,
and I love Sai Pallavi's acting.
Okay.
She's amazing.
so what likes about it? If you can elaborate, why you got attracted more about? Of course, we love him, but more details. Everybody has their own choices, right?
I love the way he looks.
Okay.
Okay, and especially I have seen a lot of his, interviews and the way he carries himself. It's very attractive.
Did you have your fan moment anytime?
No, I did not.
Who do you want
Not
to
yet.
meet?
I want to meet Vijay Deverakonda especially, and I
Okay.
want to meet Sai Pallavi because I want to tell her how amazing she is. I know she knows, but I just really want to say that to her.
So how excited you're about this project? Are you getting proper sleep?
I'm trying to get proper sleep. I'm very excited, and it has been a year already, and you know, it has like, keeps on building up. So
Mm.
now I'm in a place where I'm looking forward. Like I'm not, I mean,
Mm.
I'm ready, I'm not ready. I don't know right now,
Mhm.
but I am very excited.
So before that, also you were doing some projects in the Mumbai and ads. and
Yeah.
everything. How was your all like the favorite one? You still wanted to share about it?
Arya was something that I did before,
Mhm.
and that is something that will always stay with me. It's very close to my heart, and it has also changed me from an ad actor
Before that,
to
yeah.
like commercial actor to
Hmm.
someone who has become, has been widened her range,
Hmm.
and like, has learned more about acting in depth. So
Hmm.
Arya is going to remain the most
So
favorite.
first project, how you got it? Like not the Telugu one.
Yeah.
How you entered into this cinema field or media field, I must say.
So I still tell my mom that I'm very sure you wanted to become an actor and you just took me for acting. And yeah, but no, actually, I think my brother was going for acting,
Hmm.
and then he was like, I don't want to do acting. And then my mom and dad maybe thought, let's try with her or
Mhm.
something. And that's how I started acting. And
How you got your first project?
I don't remember, I was a baby.
Oh,
I was
baby,
a
when you
4-year
started
kid.
doing working?
4-year kid.
You were a 4-year kid.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So you were born with a star. I must say that talent is okay. So did you see that 4-year? Of course, you must be having that memory or video. What you did?
I have a video. I have a lot of videos from. It was a serial called Jai Shri Krishna,
Uh-huh.
where I would just be like dressed like a Radha and running and eating makhan and stuff like that. So yeah,
I can see that. You look like a rather cute face. I must say. So come back to again Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So what are you exploring more? I mean, after finishing, are you exploring more of a cinema or interacting with people? How the response is coming?
Right now I'm more of exploring food.
Okay, food. Okay.
So like I have a plan with my friend. Today or tomorrow we are going for a street place to eat, and like I'm just very excited because also the spice tolerance. I'm very I don't like spicy, so I'm guessing I'll have fun, and I really want to eat something really street kind of food here.
So what are the 3 good movies you have watched? Telugu.
Good movies that I've watched. I think all Sai Pallavi's movies are best.
All Sai Pallavi.
I like that a lot.
Okay.
Then what other film that I watched? There was a Maharaj that came.
Okay, yeah,
that was one film that I really loved, and Dhanush films I really like. Yeah.
So I think you been focusing on Telugu cinema, South cinema always inspire you, right?
I think inside all of us have watched all the Telugu films, and but maybe dubbed in Hindi.
Yeah.
But all of us have watched Telugu films, and most of the Telugu films are being remaked in Hindi. If we, like I take a closer look, all the films that were hit in Mumbai, like Wanted and all of those films, they have been remade from South industry.
So if you get some offer, and that night you're not sleeping, what will be that offer? That offer that takes your sleep.
Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Because like that is a big movie, right?
Okay.
And it also like creates such a good buzz, and also like the characters. I really like playing, characters that have that are based on history and like historic things. So yeah.
To come back to you again, I mean,
yeah,
it's totally different. We have to go. No 2 love stories are the same.
Yes.
I like when I just watching it, I just got attracted with this line. How you take this line?
No 2 love stories are same. That is the truth. And even
it's a one-way love, 2-way love. It's like
I feel like it says about when you are in a relation with one person, and the way you love that person is way different when you get out of that relation and get into some other. So like the love stories, even if you are the same person, the love stories are going to be different always.
So what relationship means to you? Let's come back. How you have experienced about the relationship. That's more important. We all
right
go through
now,
that.
I am very much focused on my career. And I feel like right now is something that I want to invest my energy and my time into my career. So I am particular about my career.
But what feeling of love means to you? Have you experienced it in your life?
Love, I feel, is that place where everything is fair, where everything is okay, and Like even if my world is falling apart, I know that person is going to be by my side.
People always saying, okay, she's smiling. She will never have any hard barriers or, battles
Yeah.
of her life. But everybody we used to
Yeah.
have. Would you like to share about your battles of life where you have come down and then yourself, like you said, I
Yeah.
talk to myself.
Yeah.
What therapy you do that you went up?
I think over when you are in this industry for 14, 15 years and you have ups and downs. And that is the most difficult thing to get over.
Yeah.
I feel like people don't speak about this much, but those, your career is never going to be the same. It's never going to be stable. If you are for a longer run, you are going to go up, you're going to go down, you're going to go up, because the higher it gets, the lower it's going to get. The lower it gets, the higher it is going to get. That's what I tell myself. And that is there's parts when, things were not right, things were not working out, I was not getting offers or anything. I used to cry to bed and I was like, everybody's doing better than me. Why am I not supposed to, sign this film, that film? And my brother and my mom especially told me that you will get what you deserve. So stop beating over the fact that, oh, they are doing this, they are doing that. Compare yourself to you. If you can do that, that's the best thing. Don't compare yourself to someone else. And just wait, be patient.
Yeah.
Until then, work on yourself.
Did you have any regrets of life?
Never. No. I tell myself, stop thinking about it. It is okay. You did what felt right and let it go.
So you must be having good scenes with the actor. Did you want to share it? And when you finish your shooting or during the shooting, you had good conversation, or you learned something, or you taught something you can share about it.
Rohit Nara Garu is not a very chapar person.
Yes.
I'm a very chapar person. Right. I'm a very chapar person and he's not. And also we have a little age difference, and I was like, I just talk random things, okay? And he would be like, okay, no. Because I think the most of the times we used to, do scenes, we used to pick up a topic to talk about, maybe books or maybe something about the life, or how do you do this or that. So I think so all the scenes where we were doing, the long conversations kind of, we used to always talk.
Did he help you with some of the words or learn?
Yeah, he did. So sometimes he used to tell me particularly, no, say this, pronounce this like this only. Only then you will get the lip sync.
Okay.
And I was like, okay. And then he also helped me, what do you say? Maybe do scripts sometimes, and also he translated it, like a lot of stuff for me. So yeah.
So I mean, you had a comfortable time.
Yeah.
Like people say, language is a barrier, but you overcome when the love for acting is there, right?
Yeah, and when I was doing the film, I myself started learning Telugu. So I have a teacher and she used to teach me everything, and all the pronounces and sentences, they used to teach me everything. So after a point, I started understanding and I could translate it myself. So yeah.
Good. So what have you learned? Anything you can make me learn now?
No, I don't think so.
Anything some words you have learned?
I mean, the most basic is repu.
Okay.
Then
Ikda, good.
Ikda, akda. Then
you're looking like a sweet baby.
Vuddu, Kavali.
Kavali, very good.
So all of these words I have learned.
Hello, Naru.
Baunanu.
Oh, you understood. I thought of making you.
I understand.
You understood.
I mean, if you ask any of the direction team, they will tell you that I started understanding by the.
Hello, Naru. Okay.
Baunanu.
Kuchu and
Sit, yeah. I got that, but I don't know how to reply to that. I will understand.
Okay.
That is one thing.
So you have started learning.
Yeah.
I mean, now we cannot make you fool.
You cannot. The best part is, so I never told anyone that I started learning Telugu. Okay? And on set, so everybody used to think that, oh, she does not know Telugu. And I was okay. I would just keep quiet and listen to everyone and I would understand.
So what's going around you, you know it, right?
Yeah.
They're thinking that she don't know. She'll not. So anything you have heard about it?
No, I'm not going to tell you that. I didn't tell them. Why will I tell you?
So means the secrets cannot be revealed in Telugu.
Yeah.
That's good. So what's future like, your dream role?
My dream role has to be something that is a female-centered film and has to be something like, have you watched Ram Leela?
Yes.
The the Leela and like that kind of whole character. Then Gangubai, like all female centered and something that when you leave the theater, it stays with you.
Yeah.
So that kind of.
So, personally, have you met any star and you really wanted to meet, and after that you learned or you like changed your perception towards
No.
that star?
No, I mean, Sushmita Sen, ma'am,
You met personally?
yeah, I
Okay.
worked with her for
Okay.
a long time, and I never knew much about her, but when I met her, she left me with a jaw-dropping
Yes.
aura. Okay, she was amazing.
She's a very real good woman.
Yeah.
Because I have been with her, I know her.
Have you?
I've interviewed her, so
Oh,
she
really?
is such a good heart lady.
Yeah, she is, like the way she speaks and
She
like-
treats a woman.
yeah,
Hmm.
exactly. I'm saying
Hmm.
I really love her, like the way she is.
So that was your fan moment. What you learned or what your perception changed after that?
I think she has taught me a lot about life. Okay, and she has taught me how you can be on the top of the world but also be on the ground.
Yes.
Like the way that she treats everyone, she has taught me this one thing, that hugs. Her hugs are amazing.
Yes.
Have you had that?
Yes.
Her
I
hugs
have
are
experienced. I
amazing.
die for that.
Like that is like a teddy bear, like
Very
oh,
warm,
very
she
cozy.
hugs.
Yeah, and
She'll kiss you. She'll hug you.
yeah, she's really sweet, and that's something that I've learned with her, that the aura that you carry, no matter how low you can get in your life, but the aura that you carry, you can never put you down.
So hugs matter.
Hugs matter, and like your smile, the way you talk.
So
The
you
way
love
you speak.
hugs.
Yeah, I love hugs.
Good. So best hug you have ever get?
Ah, mamas.
Oh, so
That
sweet.
can never, like nobody can
Yes.
beat that.
So that's the best hug for
Yeah.
you. So I'll just give you 5 actors and 5 actresses. You have to just name them at one line.
Okay.
What do you think about that? Alu Arjun.
Pushpa.
You can try it. Something.
I
It
don't
has to
know.
be-
It has to be Pushpa.
It's her see, so you should
Yeah.
feel, "Arey yaar, ladki ne kamal kar diya." Okay, Ramcharan.
RRR.
Oh, Nathan.
Okay.
Okay, dance. Okay, Prabhas.
Bahubali. I really love the way he, he just gave life to that character.
Vijay Deverakonda.
His smile, his looks.
Rajnikant.
Oh my God, Robot.
Robot.
Yeah, that film.
Rajnikant is Robert for you. Okay.
I mean, no, he's not Robot for me, but like his film, that is a film when I saw Aishwarya Rai and Rajnikant sir together, and like
Okay.
I would actually tell him, I would actually think of him as a god, because like he's so close to people and the way he treats people.
Junior
Amazing.
NTR.
Mm.
You have to think about it. So much.
I mean, I just watched his film, Devra, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
What
that
one thought comes about him?
his stunts.
It stuns.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about the actresses. Tamanna.
Oh, her face and the way she carries herself is amazing.
Rashmika.
I watched her this Save, yeah.
That's good.
I mean, she shifted her whole face and her
Yes.
whole body like
Hmm.
anything. The way she was in that, I love her.
Sai Pallavi.
Oh my God, her cheeks, her acting.
Kajal.
Kajal. I worked with her.
Okay.
And yeah,
you can
she's-
share something.
We did a NOR ad, and we did like 2-3 NOR ads.
Okay.
And yeah, she was very kind to me. Yeah.
So what is for you, Kajal?
For she's always that that Shah Rukh Khan dynamics.
Okay.
That like Kajal will always stay there.
Sridevi.
Sridevi. Which one are we talking about?
Boni Kapoor, right?
Okay.
Sridevi.
Her saris.
Oh, you look for the saris.
Yeah, she has an amazing collection, like the way she.
You observe stars very well. That in rapid fire I came to know.
Yeah, I
do. So you are very sharp actors, I must say. So we are eagerly waiting to see this girl on the screen, and I think in the future we'll have more of your projects coming
Yes.
in Telugu. You'll be more busy in Telugu cinema.
Yeah.
So let's wait, and you can give a message to your fans about the movie and
Yeah.
come and something interesting. You can
Yeah.
give a message.
So this film is really special to me because I mean this is also the first time I'm so relating with the Ira in this, And I'm very sure when you watch this, you will be impressed. You will wow. You will be amazed. You will be wowed. And yeah, just show us some love. We have put a lot of efforts in this.
And the date.
Yeah.
When
Oh,
it
are we
is?
saying the date?
Can he say date? Okay.
Ah.
You can say that. Okay.
Oh, it's releasing soon, and I really hope you go out and watch this.
Okay. Thank you so much. Talking
Thank
to
you.
That was really wonderful.
Same here.
For more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.